Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Arsenal don set to launch £30 million for Yuri Tillemans, and our monitoring spirit they call the Sun and Metro. And then come outside and let us know this new information. So Arsenal dey confident say if they offer this amount to Leicester for Yuri Tillemans, the Leicester will accept because everybody knows say Yuri Tillemans won't join Arsenal. You get? So Arsenal as they like this time they cast their net so wide because everybody also knows say they don't offer a bid for Sergej Milinkovic of Lazio. So that is why some of us they compare the guy, whether the guy and Yuri Tillemans, who you go prefer. Some say Yuri Tillemans don't play for EPL, so he get experience, so Arsenal should go for him. While other people say Sergej Milinkovic, they okay, they instead they score goals. You know, there are many variables, but any of them is okay. If Arsenal sign Yuri Tillemans, I'm okay with that. It's okay. If na Savic then sign, I'm super okay also with it. So I no get any bad blood for two of them. All I know is say make them sign one of all these central attacking midfielders, and it will make sense. Our Juventus don't come outside saying that Koulibaly now they won't sign now to replace Matthias De Ligt. You get, they won't sign the guy. So as they don't put eye for Koulibaly, so that means they don't fashy our Gabriel Magalhaes. They know they go for him because themselves no say Arsenal no go sell Gabriel Magalhaes. Like who does that? How can Arsenal do that? Me for my man, I know say it no dey possible. You get, no matter, and they no go fit offer us £150 million for Gabriel Magalhaes or 200 million. I will just kind of maybe 50, 60, then they go won't give us. So that now we no be selling club again. No be gone like the days when we say we got to sell before we buy. Now buy yakpa, so we no get any issue. You get, no get issues about transfer. So we just do where we did. We'll just watch as everything they go. Make them go buy that Koulibaly, make them leave us. One of our academy players, so that they call Ovie Ehiri, don't come to join Chelmsford City on loan. So wish him all the best of luck. Listen, from small now he will come turn to greatness. Now so Emil Smith Rowe self they go out on your own loan. No, see Mikabiere itself don't go out on your own loan. So we just the pray because of them they go out on loan, they progress. All these people are for the future. You get, don't be for now. So I just they happy with them, make them go out on loan. Fabrizio Romano don't come outside come dey explain some kind things to Arsenal. So Baba come dey talk say you see Arsenal, Edu Gaspar, wey the technical director say Edu Gaspar dey plan some kind quiet deals, some kind silent deals wey people never really know about. Say Edu Gaspar dey look for a winger, but they never allow them now on a low key because they don't go for Raphinha and until they don't lose out for Raphinha. Now they are na Chelsea and Barca 9 days ahead for the race to sign Raphinha. So Edu Gaspar they look for something low, something quiet. Nobody know. You can't give example for Fabio Vieira deal. Nobody knew Arsenal were negotiating for him until it was a done deal. They come announce and say, okay, it is a done deal. You get. Say Edu Gaspar said they go for a winger. But say him get an idea of who the person be, but he go do more research and to confirm. So then when he make announcements, he go announce the right name. But be rest assured that Edu Gaspar is cooking something low key, quietly. Nobody is knowing what he's doing. Again, so once you don't cook that to finish, he go let everybody know. And Fabrizio no announce this thing for normal channels like Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Now for the Q Palazzo podcast, now there he announce am. So Mr. I just hear and I just note that down, confirm, right and that. Well, more to watch in the coming days. Maybe they go announce something by Fabrizio. I don't really know. Let's be watching. Our Bayern Munich they plan new meeting with Serge Gnabry and his agents to renew in contract. Now Christian Falk, one of our monitoring spirits, now come outside and let us know this new developments. So according to them, they let us know say Bayern still wants Gnabry, even if they don't sign Sadio Mane, they still want a Gnabry to still be in the side because they don't want to lose out to people like Real Madrid or maybe Liverpool. They still want to have it, or Man City. They still want to have him in their ranks. And what Gnabry is asking for is not too much. Papa is wanting a reciprocity of respect. Now what him they want? Say okay, men I respect me. Everything is not about money. Match my energy, and they give me 100. Me they give me 100 back again. But at the end of the day, I don't know that it will work because now we say they don't sign Sadio Mane. Gnabry self no say Mane no they come to stay on the bench. So how is it going to be? Say Mane go play first half, Gnabry go play second half, or how they want to do it. I mean they go change Gnabry position because buy am bought money out of panic. They feel say if Gnabry go, who go come replace am? Because see the opportunity, they just swoop in. You get even now said that they think about signing Cristiano. The rumor of Cristiano moving to Bayern, they go on. Even though their technical director come as I talk say Ronaldo no really match their philosophy or on I talk last the fit go sign am because Ronaldo don dey for transfer market now. The agent Jorge Mendes, they check other clubs, make them know where they will sign am. So anyhow with this Gnabry deal they go, whether they go accept the contract extension we buy and they give am, abi no go accept, I go let you know. Our Leeds don't give Raphinha ultimatum and they can't give Barca the same thing. They tell Barca say dem get latest on Thursday, make dem sign this guy. If dem no fit sign am, then go sell am because dem sef wan buy players now because I know say dem wan buy Sinistera. Let's say don't agree a deal to sign Sinistera sef. So dem sef wan use the money reinvest. So how far? I know say na una be the first choice of this player, but we don't get another person don match our valuation. So it is either una match the same valuation with Chelsea or you people forget about it. So wetin dey sup? How far? So Leeds now they wait for Barca. Thursday now we give una, and that time frame is too short. I won't lie to you because as Barca dey like this and there is no new influx of money there because Frankie de Jong deal. I never really understand that Frankie de Jong deal. The president will come outside and say we are not selling. Xavi will come say we want to sell, we need money. Barca no different things they happen there. I never know, but if you don't declare I will let you know. Even Ousmane Dembele say Barca don't last, they don't give him ultimatum. Sign. We are not increasing this our contract today your front. If you no sign and I be saying you no be our player again. If you sign and you are welcome to the team. So we are waiting for you. There's no deadline actually. Get. I just say let her know say they no go change the contract. It's either you like it or not because the guy they expect big money. So I never know how all these things will be. Anyhow they go, I will let you know. Gabriel Jesus go around settle down for Arsenal training, so we come to watch the guy, the way in the train, you get so many media pundits come to talk about and say the guy is settled in because Arteta and him they familiar with the same tactics where Arteta they deploy. That's the same tactics they're using at the Etihad, so he's not new to it. That's why he's hitting the ground running. You get say the guy they play very well. Well, I never know whether he go play different the way Arsenal go play tomorrow against Nuremberg. So if he play, they will watch out. But the main friend the way me I want watch now Emirates Stadium. Guys go play for Emirates. And this friend himself, I never know where we go watch out. But that Emirates Cup against Sevilla and the match against Chelsea for Germany, I go see the kind of lineup play Arteta go use. But I know say that Emirates hole, that Emirates Cup, he go use a strong lineup. He go resemble the strong lineup he go play against Crystal Palace to judge us, to know how good at least they play, get more they match fit, and I dey very happy to say everybody they fit. Well, let's be watching. Our Real Madrid don't put Asensio up for sale, so they need buyers, they need suitors to come and sign him, and AC Milan and Arsenal then they lead the race to buy the guy. Even self Defensa will be one of the Spanish media houses don't come outside and talk say Arsenal don't submit 40 million euros for Marco Asensio of Real Madrid. So we never know how that one be. Even Hatak herself come post the story again. The publisher come give Defensa attribution. Say truly, Arsenal they go for this guy. It's not a bad deal for me. Asensio is a good guy. He'll give you squad depth. If you sign him, perfect and good. I love his signing. You get so now we'll just put your mouth where your money is, or put your money where your mouth is. More sign the guy. It will make sense. So in the coming days, we will know whether many other media houses will come to post the thing, because most of all these stories where they see now exclusive news you get. Like that one I tell now about Yuri Tillemans. Now exclusive news for the Sun, and the Sun get that exclusivity to post that, and it's just like a scoop for them, because I saw it when I was reading the story in a small caption box. They put exclusive. Now only them get that story. So Metro even come post and make it come give the Sun attribution. Don't you say now na first post and first now na get the story gone now na sources and dig them out. How all these things they go, I never really know. But remember, say in the coming days, things will get more and more clearer, because August 5 match don't start, season don't start, and transfer window is ending September 1. So many late deals will still happen again. Many names wey they never even mention, they will still mention them later. People like Dominic Calvert-Lewin, I don't see that guy still playing in Everton this season when they come. He is still going to move. That's my own. I want to see my own permutation with that. We just do watch. On my ESPN sef don come outside come dey let us know say Arsenal, Man City and PSG targets wey they call Lucas Paqueta will still stay for Lyon. This guy no dey go anywhere, whether na because of the influence of Alexander Lacazette who just joined them, I made the guy no wan go again. I never really know, because I know say the guy, the doubt am say the guy go come out because he's very very good. He's in the Brazilian national team. He's good. He's a nice player. How all this is to go, I never know. Whether I go change your mind later, I don't know. For now, it's not living. Charlie Watts sef be one of Arsenal correspondents sef don come outside come dey talk say Martinez go join Arsenal. No be say dem say everybody just dey talk Man U. He say the player get interest to join Arsenal. Him like wetin Arteta dey do here. Say no be all this Man U. Well, all this one na your own opinion, you get. So na at the end of the day, you go know whether e go work abi e no go work. If na me be Arteta, if na me, I for don comot mind for that guy deal, because that thing no go work. Make we no go dey waste our precious energy dey pursue am. Just find person wey you know say e go dey more realistic, because the loyalty issue between that guy and Eric Ten Hag go affect us. Dean Jones, wey be one of our transfer gurus, don come outside come dey let everybody know say him dey beat him chest, him full chest, say him dey sure 100% confident say Serge Gnabry dey for Arsenal transfer list. And wetin make him dey talk say him dey confident 100% sure na because Fabrizio Romano don come outside talk say dem tell am say Serge Gnabry no dey for Arsenal transfer wish list. But the problem is say I believe Dean Jones. You get why? Transfer Fabrizio Romano no know everything. You know why I talk so? I remember when we wan sign Thomas Partey from Atletico Madrid. Fabrizio talk say the deal no fit happen because Atletico will not sell him, blah blah blah. Wetin happen on the deadline day? Partey move. That was actually the first time we met at the season. Because I never take WhatsApp to follow Fabrizio when I start this movement. That was actually the first time when I say Fabrizio was wrong. And other times self go dey. Nobody's infallible now. Nobody's perfect 100%. So if and everybody get different sources and everybody na transfer guru on your own, it is a pity some people only think say na Fabrizio Romano na him be the almighty when it comes to transfer. That's a lie. There's Ben Jacobs, there's David Einstein, many journalists there. There's Gianluca Di Marzio, there are plenty. Sometimes if you check Fabrizio news, you go see say he go give attribution to some other names when he post your own transfer to show you say that those people first post am. You get so if Dean Jones they come outside, they let you know say Serge Gnabry dey for the list of Arsenal transfer, that he has seen it. It's possible. It could be his sources. He has a better source when he concerns Serge Gnabry than a Fabrizio Romano. So make una no go dey underrate other transfer gurus who then say them get mouth like mad. You get as Fabrizio dey work for Sky Sports, na so Gianluca Di Marzio dey work for Sky Sports, na so David Einstein dey work for the Athletic. Everybody get their own media house wey dey work for. So na so it just be. PS Morgan don come outside and welcome Gabriel Jesus to Arsenal. So Baba talk say in like the way Arsenal sign the guy. Gabriel Jesus is hardworking, he's powerful, he's tricky, and he's the best striker we can get for now, which is the honest assessment. How many top strikers are available in the market right now? So we can be able to sign Gabriel Jesus. We'll be very happy to say the guy will bring many things come to Arsenal moving forward. So if you know watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click up so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day as usual. Now get out.